Hey guys, Dr. Ennis Plastic Surgery in Boca Raton, Florida. Today we're going to talk about the Buccal Fat Pad. Y'all probably seen this in the news a lot recently. It's recently been a hot topic in the news, magazines, blogs, internet, social media, but it's actually been around for quite a while. The Buccal Fat Pad is often a misunderstood anatomical structure. It's interesting that the Buccal Fat Pad typically starts up high by the ear in somebody who's young. As we get older, the Buccal Fat Pad will start to descend into the lower part of the face here. So as we get older, the Buccal Fat Pad drops into this area, creating more volume and heaviness in the bottom part of the face. So as the face ages, it begins to get heavy at the bottom. A young face is more V-shaped to heart-shaped, and older face tends to be heavy and square. So it's always important we try to get all the volume out of the bottom part of the face to recreate that more youthful V. One of the nice tricks is this Buccal Fat Pad. As I mentioned, it starts out high in the cheeks, and as we get older, it begins to descend. It ends up here just beside the mouth, frequently confused with a jowl. So this is the jowl, this is the Buccal Fat Pad. So we take these little Buccal Fat Pads out, the little small incision in the mouth. It's almost like a little walnut that's there, and sometimes they're big. They're like the size of ping pong balls, but you'll see this heaviness oftentimes here. Even in somebody who's had a facelift, they'll come back and say, I feel like I've still got jowls. Well, this is nice and straight, but they've got the Buccal Fat Pad here. So the Buccal Fat Pad is an important structure to address when you look at the face as it ages in the lower part. Again, oftentimes take them out to a little small incision in the mouth. Now, the second group of people with the Buccal Fat Pads are the young people. Oftentimes people will come in and say, I don't like my chubby cheeks. In the right person, in a young person, it's very easy to take the Buccal Fat Pad out, and avoid that that gaunt look that you read about on the internet. Now, if somebody's already got thin cheeks, you don't want to take the Buccal Fat Pad out because it make them look too thin. But if somebody's got fuller, chubby cheeks, then absolutely, totally fine to take a Buccal Fat Pad out in somebody who's young without creating that gaunt look that people talk about on the internet. So come see us and let us know, and we'll talk to you about your Buccal Fat Pads.